Students, in this session, we will study about human respiratory system. Breathing is supported by human respiratory system in our body. Breathing is a physical process by which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out or released out. Thus, breathing comprises of two processes, inhalation and exhalation. Respiration in human beings occurs with the help of lungs. Thus, it is called the pulmonary respiration. The human respiratory system consists of different parts. The first part is nostrils, the air holes through which the air enters our body or the respiratory tract. It is continuous with nasal passage, which are a pair of tubes. Nasal passage is lined with hair and mucus, which trap the dust and the microorganisms and prevents their entry. The next part of the respiratory tract is pharynx, which is a short vertical tube. In continuation to this, there is larynx, a voice box, which is the anterior part of the trachea. It has two pairs of vocal cords which vibrates to produce voice. Then the next part of the respiratory tract is trachea, which is a windpipe. It is the long tube extending from larynx in the neck up to the thoracic cavity or the chest cavity. The trachea is supported by rings of cartilage so that it does not collapse when there is no air inside it. The trachea runs down the neck and divides into the smaller tubes, which are called the bronchi, which enters the lungs and further divide into smaller tubes called bronchioles. Now, in our respiratory system, there is a main respiratory organ known as lungs, which exist in a pair. It is conical and spongy structure. It is located in the chest cavity or the thoracic cavity, which is formed by ribs surrounding the lungs. The chest cavity or the thoracic cavity is separated from the abdominal cavity by a dome-shaped muscular sheet called diaphragm, over which the lungs rest. Within the lung, the bronchioles terminates into many balloon-like structures called alveoli. Now, in the lung, there are 300 millions of alveoli, which increases the surface area of exchange of gases. The lungs are a double membranous structure. It has a large surface area, it has a thin delicate membrane, and it is highly vascular.